Hi, how's it going? This one is super quick because it has to be super quick. I'm in the middle of marking papers and I have a lot. I have a lot on my plate. But this is sort of an addendum to one of the old videos that I made on setting up a cmake project in Ubuntu, which turns out it works the same way on Mac OS. That's great, but it doesn't work the same way on Windows, and that bothers me a lot. At the moment, I've been sort of slightly in the background putting together, where are we? Putting together some sort of OpenGL series in C++, and at the moment I've just got one set for Windows and Mac, sorry, Ubuntu and Mac, and then another version for Windows, and the Windows version is a Visual Studio project, and that bothers me because I want to just have a unified system. So I'm just going to pop in here and show you how this is working, show you what the issue is, and how I fixed it. So, trust the authors, yes, of course. If I go and set this up, of course, the first thing I need to do is select a kit. It's a compiler set. So this can be a little weird. So I look here, I see, oh, clang. Side note, why do people call it clang, like the sound that a bell makes when it falls down a set of stairs? That makes no sense. It's C language, compiled language, it's C-lang. We've got to do this stuff. We've got to uphold our standards, otherwise what separates us from the animals? But it seems like it doesn't work. And that's a little weird because you'll pop through, at least in my case, pop through the first few and it just wasn't working. Let's go down Visual Studio Community. I reckon this is the one. I think any of these should be fine. Fingers crossed. So we click build, and that seems to build fine, except for this link error. Cannot open file glfw.lib. So yeah, there's a bunch of different ways we can fix this. There's the proper way, and there's the way I'm going to do it. Let me say that. So here's the way I'm going to do it. This is the hacking way. Basically, I'll just go back to any of my past projects where I know that I had glfw working. Just grab this one. There we go. Third party, lib, glfw. Okay, great. And just go back and put this in dependencies. Lib, glfw3. What does it say? It says, oh, we need to find glfw. Oh no, it's meant to be, you're naming it wrong. It's meant to be glfw3. No. Sometimes the base to take is just do the thing that works. That's my little thing for the moment. So if we go build this, similarly, it just can't find it. And it says here, oh, we're looking in this specific folder, in the build folder, in there. And again, there are totally, like, I could do probably an hour's worth of Googling, but I simply don't have that time right now. So I'm going to do slice through the Gordian knot, as they say, and just literally put it in the build folder. There we go. I don't have time to muck around with this business. So now I see this, but that's just a warning. And it's the same thing on Visual Studio. So if we just run that, it's now working. So I guess this whole thing has been just me setting up a cmake project in Windows. It can be hard or it can be easy. We can do this the hard way or the easy way. And sometimes the easy way is just break all the rules. So that's what I'm doing here. And once I'm finished, it's a big once, right? Once I'm finished with all my work, there will be more serious videos coming. But I hope you enjoyed that. And I'll see you again soon. All right, have a good one. Bye.